In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page in Elementor. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to elementor.com. Click on the this get started option right here in order to create an account, or click on this login option in order to log into one. Now once you're done with there, head over to wordpress.com. Click onto this get started option from there as well, or click onto this login option. Now into here we have our actual website that I have created using WordPress Elementor. And I want to create a coming soon page. You have two options from there. You can actually create a new coming soon page, or you can do the easiest thing possible, which is heading over right here to your WordPress dashboard connected to your Elementor. And then from in there, head over to Elementor option right here. Once you're in here, scroll down. You can head over first to your settings in order to see everything. And in here, you can see some more integrations and the likes. First thing, if you're actually looking forward to creating a coming soon, you can actually disable some features available right now. Once you're done, head over right here to the tools. And then from in here, you can see the option for maintenance mode. Click on that. In here, you can see this choose a mode option. Click on this drop down, and as you can see, we have in here this option for coming soon. So click on this option right here, and then this actually makes your website a coming soon page, and it can still be editable on your part, but coming soon page will be visible onto the actual viewer that you have. Once you have chosen this part, head over and click onto the save changes option. You can see that what it returns for the code, and it's ready for it to be indexed. So just head over and choose in here this. You can also choose a template that you would want, as well as who can access it and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.